some rain earlier today. Nice to see a bit of sunshine before it sets, and a lot of people enjoying their Wednesday evening out there in Market Square. Temperature 78 downtown, 80 for Mascot and Coreyton, 79 in Powell, and 78 in Farragut. Sweat cache showing a little bit of the stickiness showing up at this point, and it's really going to stay that way as a lot of moisture is in the atmosphere, meaning wherever rain does develop later tonight could be on the heavy side, but thankfully pretty quiet across our area right now. Again, I think that'll change overnight into tomorrow morning. In fact, enhanced risk, if you will, of some flooding. Again, doesn't mean everybody will see it, but we're especially watching this area shaded here in yellow as we head into our Thursday. So let's talk about timing. 6 timeline shows a few scattered storms already popping up. This is 11 o'clock tonight. And then watch the movement. They're kind of from northwest to southeast, but see how they're moving in some spots in the same areas? That's where it could be problematic. With these rainfall rates anywhere in that 1 to almost 2 inch per hour rate, it could be problematic as we head overnight into early tomorrow morning. Thankfully, it's showing a bit of a respite into early afternoon. This is lunchtime, and then this is about 6 o'clock. But if we see some breaks in the clouds, 1 or 2 of these storms by afternoon actually could be on the stronger side. So another thing that we're going to have to watch. And this forecast model showing more rain developing by later Thursday night. It's not going to be until late Friday before we see things quiet down across the area. So overnight into Thursday, a medium to high risk of heavy rain. If we see that in spots, then sure, there is the possibility of flooding that could cause some travel issues. And that's what we're going to be especially cautious of into the overnight hours, because of course you don't want to drive through flooded roadways anyway, but at night, that's even more problematic. Now, this is through the entire day on Thursday, so I showed you the overnight. Thursday's pretty much the same opportunity of risk for flooding across the region. So let's talk about Friday. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. Cold front sliding east will increase the rain chances by Friday afternoon and evening. So really after Thursday evening, we catch a bit of a break before another round returns into the day on Friday. But finally that cold front moves through, and that's going to spell some drier conditions behind that as we head into the weekend, which is going to be nice. So low 80s back across the plateau. There will be some showers and storms. Some of the rainfall could be locally heavy. Same thing up into southeast Kentucky. We're right around 82 for Barberville, 83 in Williamsburg, 83 in Middlesboro, and 82 in Harlan. It's really going to depend on who sees the rain tomorrow. It could be a lot like today where the cloud cover sticks around. Areas a little further north are a touch cooler with low 80s, but if you happen to see a bit of sunshine, you're going to be in the upper 80s. So I think there's going to be even a wider range of temperatures tomorrow compared to what we saw today, when most were only in the upper 70s to low 80s. 76 Chimney Tops, 85 Pigeon Forge, but as you can see, only about 80 in Wallen. So decent opportunities of rain continuing Friday afternoon into Friday evening. Then we dry out. Look at the difference. We go from low 70s at night to low 60s by Sunday morning. That's extremely comfortable for this time of year, but it's again late July. It's not going to last. The upper 60s at night come back, the upper 80s in the daytime come back, but at least we'll get maybe 3, possibly 4 dry days in a row, and I think we're really going to need it after Thursday and Friday.
It looks like it, that is for sure.
Yeah.
All right, Ken, thank you.